Hello student. In geometrical figure, the next topic number 2, the main construction of our chapter. To construct the triangle given two sides and angle included by them. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाची अशी रचना करा की ज्याच्या दोन बाजू आणि त्या दोन बाजूंमधील कोन दिलेला आहे. अशा प्रकारची रचना आपल्याला या टायटलच्या अंतर्गत करायची आहे. हाऊ टू ड्रॉ दिस कन्स्ट्रक्शन. Suppose there is one example given here. With help of this example, we can easily understand how to construct the given figure. So let's start. Here, the triangle PQR such a way that length PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter, measure of angle P is equal to 15 degree, and length of PQR is equal to 5 centimeter. Now, first of all, you draw the rough figure in such a way that you give the name. Here, the name is started from this point. If you wanted to start from this is also correct, but we go as per book. Let us start. Point P, Q, R. Here the measure given PQ. PQ is the 5.5 centimeter, which is our base. This is very important. PQ is our base. Now the angle P having the measure 50 degree, and in similar way the PR is the 5 centimeter. This is our rough figure. Now we start how to draw the geometrical construction. Here stepwise we go with help of figure. According to the rough figure, PQ form the base of the length 5.5 centimeter. Here PQ is our base. We can draw with help of ruler from point P to Q. Take a distance 5.5 centimeter and complete this segment PQ. Now second step, ray PG is drawn so that angle GPQ becomes 50 degree. Here we keep the protector. With help of protector we can measure this angle from right hand side up to the 50 degree mark here, and make the arc PG in similar way that these two sides of angle makes the 50 degree angle. Now in point number 3, open the compass to 5 centimeter, placing the compass point P, and draw the arc to cut a ray PG at R and join the QR. In this way, triangle PQR is our required angle. Here, we take the distance between point P and R, 5 centimeter, and arc here. This is the point of intersection of side and arc. So fix this point and join this point to the point Q. In this way, we complete our geometrical construction. Now we are go this figure with help of practical. Suppose first of all I draw the rough figure in this way. Rough figure is drawn with help of only hand, not use the geometrical equipment. Give the name. Here if I draw from this P, it is also right. If not, we go like as the book. So we can start from here P, Q, and R. So here PQ having the distance 5.5 centimeter, and the angle RPQ, that means the angle P is the 50 degree. In similar manner, the distance from point P to R is a 5 centimeter. So this is my rough figure. I want to construct my figure with help of geometrical equipment. Let us start. So first of all, keep a ruler in such a way that first of all I fix my base PQ. PQ having the distance 5.5 centimeters. So this is my starting point 0, and here is 5 and 6 between them. This is the middle line. I fix this point, and now these 2 points having the base point P and Q. So join with help of pencil. Now give the name to this point P, point Q. Write the distance between these 2 points, 5.5 centimeter. Now we use the protector. So keep the protector in such a way that I told you some basic construction, that this is our reference point and this is our reference line. So you can join the vertex P on reference point and overlap the reference line to the one side of the base. So let's start. Measure the angle from right hand side, because we draw the side to right hand side. Now there is the 50-degree angle. So measure from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So mark here. This is the 50-degree angle. Now remove the protector. Keep a ruler in such a way that these point and these point are in straight line. You can join these 2 points and make the ray here and give the name to this point. Here this point is G. This is not necessary, but in book it is written, so I can also write here. So this is our half part. So from this to this point, the angle having degree 50 degree. Now the distance between point P and R is 5 centimeter. So put your sharp edge of the compass on 0 and mark 5 centimeter between pencil edge and sharp edge. Here is the 5 centimeter distance. Show here. This is from 0 to 5. In this way. Now keep the sharp edge on the point P and mark here. So the intersection on this ray and arc is this point. This point is nothing but is our R point. Now with help of ruler, join these 2 points, point Q and point R. So I join here. In this way we completed our figure, triangle PQR. There is one remaining thing, that the distance between point P and R is 5 centimeter. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ही जी रचना आहे, ही रचना करताना आपल्याला सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा आलेला आहे, तो असा आहे की 2 बाजू दिलेल्या आहेत आणि त्यामधला कोन दिलेला आहे. तर असं असताना आपण रचना कशी करायची, ही रचना आपण या ठिकाणी पाहिलेली आहे. तर सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा कच्ची आकृती काढायची. कच्च्या आकृतीमध्ये पाया ठरवायचा. पाया ठरवल्यानंतर तेवढं अंतर 2 बिंदूमध्ये घेऊन पाया काढायचा. या ठिकाणी 5.5 सेंटीमीटरचा पाया दिलेला आहे. कोन मापकाच्या साहाय्याने त्याचा संदर्भ बिंदू आणि रेफरन्स लाईन जोडून या ठिकाणी 50 अंशाचा कोन काढला आणि त्यानंतर 50 अंशाचा कोनवर किरण काढून घेतला आणि नंतर P पासून R बिंदू मला काढायचा आहे. त्यामुळे P आणि R हे अंतर मी विचारात घेतलं, ते 5 सेंटीमीटर आहे, म्हणून मी कंपासचं टोकदार टोक P बिंदूवर ठेवलं आणि या बाजूला आर्क केली. याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी मला R बिंदू मिळाला. त्यानंतर जिथं पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन झाला तो पॉइंट मी फिक्स केला आणि तो मी Q ला जोडून टाकला. अशा प्रकारे ट्रायंगल PQR ही कन्स्ट्रक्शन या ठिकाणी तयार झाली. सो this construction is nothing but the triangle given 2 sides and angle including by them. म्हणजे त्रिकोणाच्या 2 बाजूंची माप आपल्याला दिलेली आहे आणि या 2 बाजूंनी समाविष्ट केलेल्या कोन याचं माप आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. ही आपल्या पुस्तकातली जॉमेट्रिकल कन्स्ट्रक्शन मधली दुसरं कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे, ज्याचा अभ्यास आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट नंबर 3 मध्ये पाहायला मिळेल. हा अभ्यास तुम्ही मला पूर्ण करून उद्या 6:30 पर्यंत दाखवायचा आहे. धन्यवाद.